What is up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I actually picked up the Motorola E5 Play from Walmart, and the weird thing was I actually had to ask one of the employees to actually pick up the phone from the back because they did not have them on display. So if you guys want to go ahead and pick this up, this is at Walmart for $60. So you actually have to ask one of the employees if they are not on display. But I will be giving you my unboxing and first impressions on this device, as well as review later on, obviously. But let's go ahead and start this video. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we have the box right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back. So it says we have a 5.2-inch HD touchscreen display that is going to be 720p. We also have splash proof protection, which is pretty cool. A 2800 mAh battery. We also have 3G, 4G LTE, LTE Plus, and it says we have a 1.4 GHz quad-core processor in here as well. We also have 16 GB internal storage and 2 GB of RAM, Android OS, 8 megapixel main camera, and a 5 megapixel front-facing camera. Without further ado, let's go ahead and open up this box. I believe this is going to be a box inside of a box, so yeah, let's go ahead and see what's up with this. We do have a box inside of a box, so let's go ahead and take that out. So I think that's pretty cool that we did get the actual Moto E5 Play box inside of the regular Boost Mobile box. So kudos to Boost Mobile for doing that. Let's go ahead and open this up though. Alright, so we're just gonna slide this open right here. Alright, so as you guys see, we have the Moto E5 Play on top. So we do have the phone. We have some specifications on here. We have the advanced camera, 2800 mAh battery, water repellent coating, expandable storage. So we do have Android 8.0 Oreo in here, which is pretty dope. Let's go ahead and put this phone to the side. Now, as you guys see, we do have the travel adapter right here. We have the micro USB data cable right here. We have the safety guide right here. And we have the 2800 Motorola battery right here. Alright guys, so we have the Moto E5 Play right here. Let's go ahead and take off this little screen protector right here. Nice and satisfying sound. So first of all, we have the front-facing camera, which is 5 megapixels. We have the headset up top. We also have a flash, which is pretty cool to have that on a front-facing camera. At the bottom, we have some Motorola branding, which is pretty cool as well. Now, if we take a look at the back, we do have our camera plus flash, and we have this nice little design that is very reminiscent of the Moto X4, actually. We have another emblem for Motorola right there. Taking a look at the left side of the device, we do not have anything. Taking a look at the right side of the device, we actually have our power button, which is actually textured, so that's really nice. And we also have a non-space volume rocker right here. Also, if we go all the way to the bottom, we have a little ridge right here. We can actually open up the back of the phone this way, and it's pretty nice though, because you can actually purchase many more batteries, and if you run out of juice, you can go ahead and pop one in. But we're gonna go ahead and pop in the battery right now. We're going to go ahead and pop on the back and turn on this device. So we get that little Motorola screen right here. Also, top of the device, we have a noise canceling mic as well as a 3.5 millimeter head jack. Bottom of the device, we do have our micro USB port and another noise canceling mic as well. So let's go ahead and load this up, and I'll be back very shortly. Also, so far, if you guys can tell already, this is a plastic back. None of this really feels expensive at all. But yeah, also just a heads up as well, we do have a 5 gigahertz band on this, so that is pretty dope as well. Alright guys, so first impressions, the screen definitely looks nice. Definitely looks like a regular 720p screen. Even, you know, 1080 doesn't really make a difference to me. But yeah, screen looks nice. Obviously, just like any other Motorola phone, really, $60 is still a really great price for this phone as well. And if we go ahead and take a look at the software, I believe we do have Android 8.0. So yeah, it's updated to 8.0. So we have Android 8.0. If we go over here to About Phone and check it out, we have Oreo on here, so that's pretty nice to have the most current software. But yeah, so far I really like this device. Even typing on this device is very nice and very smooth as well. Going through the UI very fast and snappy with that 2 GB of RAM in here. And if you guys really need to get a phone at Boost Mobile, I really can't see you doing better than this. This is only $60, so amazing price for this phone. We really don't have any bloatware on this device as well. It's fairly stock Android, to be quite honest. Also, if we go into the camera right here too, it looks pretty decent for $60, to be honest. We do have HDR on this device. Also, if we go to the other modes, we have professional mode, and we actually have slow motion on here too, which is pretty cool. And we also have panorama, video. I think all the way up to 1080p on here, so that's nice as well. I will definitely go more in depth on the camera later on in later videos, but looks pretty decent so far for the $60 that they're asking. But yeah, if you guys want to go ahead and pick this up, do go to your Walmart and check around. I actually had to go to one of the employees and say, hey, can you get the device out of the back, and they had to get the device out of a storage little locker thingy. So definitely ask them, because they will have them at your Walmart. They just probably won't have them out there on display or whatever. But yeah guys, hope you really did enjoy this unboxing. I will be doing my full review on this as well as some other tests. If you guys are not a part of the tech gang already, definitely hit that subscribe button as well as turning on the notifications so you guys are notified every time I do upload. Also drop a like if you guys did enjoy this video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, tech gang.